How to create a WordPress account. So if you want to create a WordPress account, then first of all open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser. And then on the search bar, search for WordPress login. And then here you will have your first search, www.wordpress.com. Click on that. And now to create, all you have to do is click on login, which is on the upper right corner. And then here, if you scroll down, you will find create a new account. You can click on that, or you can also continue with your Google, or you can continue with your Apple. So click on create a new account, and from here it will ask you to enter your email address, and then you can enter your username. And on the next step, you will have to choose a password. So choose a password, and after choosing your password, you can click on create your account. From here you have to choose a domain, so you can also choose your domain later by clicking on choose my domain later, and then you will have these offers. So you can start with free, or you can get a personal one, or you can get your premium by $8, and you can get a business premium and commerce premium, and then you can also learn more from this enterprise. And here you will have the information about the storage that you will get, and you can also compare the plans. So here you can see that you can compare the plans. So after comparing, you can choose the best plan that you would like. So that's it, guys. That's how you create a WordPress account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.